How to show and hide recently played artist on Spotify profile. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we'll show you how to show or hide recently played artist on our Spotify profile. It will help us control what other people can see on our profile. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Spotify application on our phone and make sure we are logged into our account. After that, we can tap on our profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. Open it up, and this will open up our Spotify profile page. We can tap on view profile to access it up. And here we can look out for our followers and listing activity. It will be displayed in the section. Now tap on the settings icon in this page. Once you tap on settings option here, it will pop up a menu called what others can see. This section lets us control what information is visible on our profile. So from this section, we can look out for an option called recently played artist. So find it up, and we just need to toggle the option, this one right here. If you turn it on, it will let other people see the artist that you've recently listened to. And if you want to turn it off, you can tap on it and it will basically hide them from your profile. And once you do so, the change will be applied instantly, and that will do it. That's how we basically show or hide recently played artists on Spotify very easily. You can follow the step-by-step tutorial. So if this video was helpful to you, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thanks for watching.